Okay, so a little applied question, Mrs. H Psychology, this is for the memory topic, and it came up in summer 17 for the A level, but I used it also for my mock. So this is the information I'll show you here if I scroll down. So basically, students are given list A and list B. List A sounds similar, flip, flit, flop, flap, etc. List B is not, it doesn't sound similar, but the words mean similar things, huge, large, great, etc. So the question is, using your knowledge of coding in memory, explain these findings. So the important thing to focus on is this coding. Okay, so here's the question. In an investigation into memory, participants presented with two different lists of words. After seeing the list, participants tested on their ability to recall. When tested immediately, participants found it more difficult to recall the words from list A in the correct order. When tested after 30 minutes, participants found it more difficult to recall the words from list B in the correct order. And using your knowledge of coding, explain these findings. Okay, so we're going to pick up on the fact that immediate, these guys found it difficult. Long-term, longer, in other words 30 minutes, they found these words difficult. Immediate recall means that it's just coming straight from short-term memory. After 30 minutes, it's obviously coming from long-term memory. Okay, so, and the question is asking you to talk about the coding. So basically what they want you to say is list A is made up of words that are similar in sound. So we would say acoustically similar, similar in sound. And obviously because STM, short-term memory, is mainly encoded acoustically through sound, that's why there is acoustic confusion. That is why they're finding it difficult to recall. With list B, that is mainly semantically encoded for long-term memory. Okay, it's gone into long-term memory, we need to say, because it's after 30 minutes. And we know that with long-term memory, it's mainly processed semantically, meaning, and that is why they're going to get confusion over the meaning of these words because they all sound similar. So this is the mark scheme. All right, the delayed task, list B, is made up of words that are semantically similar. This is going to cause confusion because they mean the same thing. Okay, if they asked you, if you needed any extra marks, basically this list would be on immediate recall would probably be quite straightforward to remember. This list would be quite straightforward in terms of long term, but they're just asking you to for 4 marks, cover the immediate for this list and the long term for this.